Australian filmmakers are hoping the nation's low coronavirus caseload will lure international productions down under. The industry is eager for the cameras to start rolling again to help boost the local economy.
Big budget blockbusters and small screen series are on hold around the world. As Australia moves through each phase on the road to recovery, the film industry is hoping productions can restart.
You know, we had 5,000 people in Fox Studios one day, and then a few weeks later there was no one but security guards. You had Baz Luhrmann an inch away from starting his big Untitled Elvis movie, and then it shut down. And that goes across the board on everything we kind of touch.
The challenges facing Screen Australia CEO Graham Mason are difficult. The health and safety of his industry is paramount, but resuming work is also essential.
We've got a lot of input from those big unscripted shows like MasterChef, which have filmed the whole way through this. What lessons can we learn to ensure, again, I can't stress enough, that everyone is safe, but we can get stuff made?
Prominent Australian filmmaker Jodie Mattison says it's inevitable the way movies are made will change, but production can start now within the safety guidelines.
It's things that you don't really think about. It's very hard to do driving scenes, for example, because the way we shoot driving scenes, we have, a lot of people crammed into tracking and follow vehicles, so that's not possible. But we go, okay, if we have a driving scene, how do we do it? We do more visual effects, we do more rear projection. So there are ways around things, and that's where we're at the moment.
Screen Australia has recently announced more than $600,000 in funding for 11 feature films, 5 television series and 2 online projects. In addition to the local content, there is also growing demand for international productions to be relocated to Australia, where the number of confirmed coronavirus cases are declining.
We are in such an amazing place in Australia in terms of how we've handled the virus, the amount of cases, that the whole world is really looking to us at the moment, and it's a big opportunity for productions that ordinarily wouldn't have looked at coming here. And at Made Up Stories, we're doing exactly the same, as other companies, going, okay, what was on our US slate that we could now airlift into Australia?
What we're weighing up is how can we help that happen, again, safely, because we all know that the governments are very keen to get the economy working again, and we are something that can do a lot of injection of cash quite quickly. So, if Baz Luhrmann could be going again, that is literally thousands of people and suppliers on the Gold Coast who need that work, because tourism is going to be a way off, whereas we can get going quite easily.
Samantha Dawson, Sky News.